Here's a 2015 GMC Terrain SLT, 109,000 mile, 200 with a clean Carfax and silver. Really nice locally owned trade-in here. Actually, the second owner bought this vehicle from us, was on our service plan, and traded it back in here recently on a 7-passenger SUV. So we typically do not keep vehicles over 100,000 miles unless they're in excellent shape, which this one is, both inside and out. And also, I think we have like 21 service records on the Carfax. We got all the service history. So really, really nice vehicle here that we know a lot about. Just going to kind of show you as we walk around. You can see the SLT does give you the chrome embellishments, LED fog lights in the lower bumper fascia, as well as high intensity headlamps. Coming around to the side, got a multi-spoke alloy wheel here, wrapped with Firestone tires. Probably about half tread here on these tires. You also can see a nice shiny resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. So we take a peek through the passenger side front seat. See, we do have a manual adjustment on the passenger side, ebony leather with offset red stitching, 2 bucket seats, console with an automatic floor shifter in between, and otherwise gray on gray interior with some brushed aluminum accents around the louvers and door handles. Let's go ahead and take a peek in the back. 5-passenger mid-size SUV here. You can see the SLT badging. Very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room, as you can see there, for the rear occupants. There is a power supply in the back of that console as well. Help keep your electronic devices charged up. Like I say, we got all season Firestones all the way around, all about half tread or so. Continue around to the back. Of course, it is an all-wheel drive. GMC Terrain is equipped with a backup camera and does have a tow hitch on it as well. Let's take a peek here in the liftgate. Got a power liftgate, which is always nice. SLT is more of the upgraded trim, so you are going to have a lot of features like a power liftgate. Another power supply back there, as you can see. 40/60 fold down on the rear seat if you need a little more room. Underneath the floor here, we got your full-size spare and jack. So everything is still located where it should be. Button here for the power liftgate is right there. Continue around to the other side again, just showing you all the tires do match. Wheels are in good shape as well. And then in the back, you can see it's a very clean vehicle. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker, so you don't have to worry about bad odors on this vehicle. And then as we take a peek through the passenger side front, full power seat, including lumbar there on the passenger side. And before we get into the tour, I do want to show you, we always promise 2 sets of keys. We have 2 sets. I have one with me right now. Integrated key fob, a button for your power liftgate, and it is equipped with factory remote start. You do have a panic button there as well. On the door, you'll find your power windows, your power mirrors, and your power locks. Does have the upgraded Pioneer sound, as you can see on the speaker cover there. Let's go ahead and hop in. Start the car up, show you the exact miles. 109,836. Just going to turn the radio off there real quick so we can hear. And then I also want to show you the Carfax. Like I said at the beginning of the video, no accidents or damage, 2 owners, 21 service records. So we know this vehicle very well, and it doesn't get any better than that on a history report. We do have a dimmer here for your interiors. Your headlamp controls are on the outside stem. You do have automatic headlamp setting. You push in for fogs, as you can see there. High beams and turn signals are on that stem as well. On the right, we got your intermittent wiper washers with your rear controls for your rear wiper on the outside of that stem. Cruise to the left of the wheel. Bluetooth and audio controls on the steering wheel are to the right. Got the AM/FM satellite radio here. We do have, I'm just going to turn this on. I want to show you it is equipped with factory navigation. Not all of them have that, but this one does have the factory navigation button as well. Also, of course, like I said, AM/FM and satellite radio. We go back to home here. You can see all your different customizable apps. It is a touch screen. We got your Apple, Stitcher, Pandora, auxiliary Bluetooth, all different types of ways, USB, to listen to your music and MP3 files. It is equipped with heated leather seats, driver and passenger. As you can see, there is a single CD down below here. And below that, we got an economy mode to give you ultimate fuel efficiency shift points. 2 cup holders, ability to shut off the traction control. Do have a side selector here to pick any of your gears. In the console, you'll see another USB and auxiliary import, so it is well equipped that way. It does have the factory sunroof, as you can see. That is all controlled here. You can adjust the height that the liftgate raises. Also LED map lights here. Got your OnStar, which all GMs have, and it is an auto dim on your rear view mirror. Do have illuminated LED visors on the driver and the passenger as well. So really everything you could want in a Terrain this vehicle has. Also has the foot pedal there for an emergency brake. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Pop the hood releases right here. Take a peek underneath the hood. I think it has the 2.44 cylinder engine in this one. They did put 6 cylinders in them as well, but I'm pretty sure this one has the 4-cylinder. Yes, 4-cylinder Ecotech. 2.4 liter displacement, clean and quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. You can see it looks like a new engine under there. Like I say, we did all the maintenance on this vehicle, so we know it very, very well, and he's kept it up, or they have kept it up very, very well also. Now let's go ahead and shut this off. We'll get into the last part of this video, and just to recap again, about half tread on the tires, light new brakes on the front. 2-owner vehicle with no accidents or damage. The last part of making an informed buying decision is cosmetic appearance. Just quickly going to walk the vehicle here, show you a couple little stone chips, a little smudge in the paint right there. But like I say, we rarely do keep a couple chips up here on the sail panel. We rarely do keep vehicles with the mileage that this one does have. There's a couple. Actually got that little tiny, I don't know if you guys can see that. We buffed it out. There's a tiny little scratch there, but as I was saying, we usually don't keep vehicles that have a few miles on them unless they're in excellent shape. So as we walk around this car, you'll find a couple stone chips, and that's about it. I mean, it really, really is in very, very good condition. All the body lines are nice and straight. Haven't found a dent at all, other than a couple little stone chips, a couple little tiny paint smudges and nicks. So even the roof is in excellent shape. Fender, a little scratch right there. It's probably the worst I've seen of damage. Excuse me. A couple little chips there we touched up. Few here across the painted portion of the lower bumper fascia. I'll get close so you can see, but all vehicles are going to have that, obviously. I'll get close, you can see there's a few down here on this one as well. And then across the hood, I expect we'll probably find a few, though I don't see much. One little one dead center, and a few here in the middle, a few little scuffs up here. But all in all, guys, like I said, excellent, affordable, well-equipped 5-passenger mid-size SUV here that we know very well. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. And of course, you can shop 24/7 online, www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.